Hi, welcome to Waiterio. In this video, I'd like to show you how to give discounts in the Waiterio app. The Waiterio app provides an option to give discounts to customers. Here's how to set it. Open the Waiterio app. Create a sample order. Click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the order. Select Payment. Just a quick note, only users with admin, owner, manager, and cashier can see the Pay button. At the upper right hand corner of the payment screen, you will see a down arrow symbol with a percent sign. Click this and you will have an option to add a discount. You can name the type of discount, the quantity or amount, and you can choose the quantity type as a percentage or fixed. Once completed, click the Add button. Currently, there is no option to create permanent discounts that can be used in multiple paying customers. There you have it, a short video on how to give discounts in the Waiterio app. Thank you so much and have a great day.